Hello, everyone. Can I start? So this is Fashion to Fit. My name is Luigi. I'm gonna tell you about how we're gonna help people to make more accurate fashion decisions, purchases online, especially regarding to size of clothes. So this is the problem, right? Shopping and online shopping, it's kind of painful for a bunch of people, right? Me, for example, I don't like it. I don't like to spend time on it. I don't enjoy it, right? And one of the biggest problem for me, and from what we heard, is finding the right size. It's hard. But what happens is, this is an industry-wide problem. So 1 in every 3 shipments of online apparel in US gets returned. And 60 to 80%, it's because size only, right? So we estimate this is a $15 billion amount that just goes to waste. Nobody gets the money from it. So I'm gonna say that again. It's $15 billion. It's 1 in every 3, right? We also interviewed people in the streets, about 20 to 30, to see if this is actually a painful point, and they agree, especially women buying pants. And a survey of 200 people say that 60% of Americans agree that finding the right size is a painful process. So the problem is there. So I want to introduce you a new shopping experience for everyone, men and women. It's a 3-step process. The first step, we want to map your body with your phone. You get your phone. You can scan your body like that. With that, we're able to get all your measurements with a high precision. And so we have your dummy online, right, in your phone. Step 2 is you tell the app what are a couple of clothes that you really like. If you're able to identify them, we know what pattern they use and what are the measures they have. So we're able to understand if you like tighter clothes, loose clothes, and so on and so forth. The third step is the actual recommendation, where we're going to expose you to new brands and the clothes that you will highly likely like the size. So this is a high level on what it would look like, right? This is the mobile application. You place your phone on the wall, it scans you, and you input your preferences of clothes. Third step is you put on your VR headset, and you will see yourself, your avatar, where you're gonna click on what you wanna purchase. Let's say you wanna purchase shirts. We're gonna show you a bunch of shirts that we highly likely will fit you, and you're gonna choose what do you wanna buy, right? So monetization venues, it's a partnership model. It's very common in the industry. We would take 8 to 15% of cut from the sale price. We don't hold inventory, we don't need consumers support capabilities, and it's highly scalable to China, India, whatever, any market in the world that is growing fast. Another source would be sponsor outfits to rank them higher in the recommendations. The market is huge, it's 1 trillion worldwide, 250 billion in US, around 60 to 80 billion, 250 in US, 60 to 80 online, right? By the way, men's fashion industry is 20 billion now and is one of the highest growing online markets. We see the go-to-market strategy as first focusing on niche categories, especially for people that have non-common body shapes, so too tall, long arms, and so on. And then we can start with the VR experience. That's the thing. Thank you.